back to the video, and as you can see, my brother finally got the new cosmetic, and we're gonna be continuing to kill some zombies. Let's go.
You're gonna be alright.
No! You can't do that. There we go.
Why are you trying to kill me?
I'm trying to kill I'm trying to kill the zombies. They're right behind you.
You're trying to kill me.
Go, go, go. Get them, get them, get them, get them.
Stop it. Like, I'm gonna report you. Swear to God. I actually can report you.
Is there any zombies? There's zombies over here. I think this is the last two. Got him. Got him.
No, I'm not.
Hi, kitten. Alright.
Bro, I'm not coming anymore.
Stop trying to hit that guy.
Hey, there's a red watch.
He's trying to kill me.
Did we save him?
Yeah.
He's trying to
Why are you killing me? You're trying to kill me.
Dude, where's the zombies? Where's the zombies? Where's the zombies?
Why are you just killing me?
Guys, where's the zombies? Where's the zombies?
Be anywhere.
No, here.
This is
I hear them. Guys, where's the zombies at?
Here, take some
there we go.
guys. Take some items.
Ah! Shoot them down!
Oh, I get purple.
Shoot it! Oh my God, bro, what is happening? What is going on? Shoot!
How do you put it?
Kill them! Hey! I got him! I got you! Oh. Huh.
I thought you were a zombie.
Oh yeah, could you go with a zombie? I gotta take the risk and kill them.
Dude, how did you die?
Yo, hold up, what is that hammer thing?
Go, kill the zombies! 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 I got this! Got him! I got him!
Buddy, I
Bro,
didn't die, by the way.
get in! Look! Look!
Wait, I need that. I have that locked by.
Still didn't die.
Why is everyone keep killing each other?
Well, I'm trying to get some revolvers out. Time to get some revolvers.
There's zombies in the area! Kill them! Kill them! They're not chasing me!
Be careful!
Hey! What are you doing? There we go. Hey. Oh God. Uh-oh. What is going on? Shoot them!
Kill them!
Uh-oh. I'm a deviled egg! It died. Oh. What is happening?
Why are you trying to kill me?
Shoot them! Kill them!
Well, your screen is bugged out. There's screen differences. So whenever you try,
boy.
whenever you...
Mi gente!
Oh, you don't!
Where are they?
Don't just ring me. He killed him multiple times.
Yeah,
What are you guys
I'm
doing?
not trusting anybody.
Kind of little ugly things. What is this?
Don't just ring me.
That's sweet ammo.
You guys, where the zombies at?
Eat it.
It's daytime. They don't come yet.
Is this good? When it is coming, bro? When it is starting?
Yeah.
Guys, come on.
When is it even starting?
Guys, open up box. Open up box.
We gotta press ready.
Don't worry.
They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Get him. Get him.
Stop my food. Stop.
Run. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god!
What's going on? Look at all these.
Die zombies! Die zombies!
Kill them. Kill them. Kill them. Oh god. I got you.
They look scarier. Ew.
I got some. I got some. I got some.
I need that.
Kill them. There's a whole horde over here. Gummy worms.
I killed so many zombies!
Dude, their vital organs are coming out. I died.
Run! I got them!
Go, 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 go. They're in the safe zone.
Oh my god!
Kill them, kill them, kill them. Hey, big boy. There you go.
Yo, get on the crates. Get on the crates.
Why?
The crate.
Get out of the crate!
You can get
Okay,
on
it's daytime, it's daytime,
Go
it's
to the
daytime.
future.
Oh god, there's one over here.
We
Oh,
Put them in your stash, they just turn into an You guys! Blue, I got you something! Blue, I got you something. Keep it. Can I get your can I get a hammer?
what's going on? What's going on?
How do you get a hammer?
Dude, look at all these. Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them. I can't. Hey!
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I can't! They're all after me!
Biscuits. Hey.
Hey boy! Dude! Look at all this! Shoot him!
Help! Help!
I got you! Don't miss your aim! Oh, I hit it.
Thank you so much.
Get the gummy worms! Alright guys, for the ending of this video, we're gonna be trying to kill the zombies over here! Come here! Oh, they all died.
Daytime.
Get on the crate! Get
They
on!
all died. Okay, if I kill one more zombie or if I kill a few zombies, the video ends.
Hammer!
Number one. I like to say something before you're trying to kill.
Oh god. What's happening?
Ready!
Press ready.
Press ready!
Don't buy me another hammer, please! Please? Sorry, I never pressed ready.
Ready, 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 ready!
Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Chris, freaking ready!
It's happening!
Rocket launcher.
It's happening!
Somebody.
Join my code if you want to do a wave! Join my code!
It's happening! Go over there! It is over here! Yeah!
Say hello to my little friend, you big fat zombies.
Yeah! Kill them all! Where are they?
So annoying. Get
You don't kill people in this.
They're over here!
This was common.
They're over here!
What's the zombies?
No, I never kill me ever again. Miska. Miska.
Mickey!
I was sick of zombies. Can you buy me a gun, please? I
Alright,
can't
for
afford
the
it.
ending of the video, I'm gonna be killing the zombies. It didn't kill it.
I got a hammer. Come